The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Very good morning, fellas. September 10th. Good sound. Thank you. Sight and sound. Thank you, Richard. Ed, thank you. Guys, good morning. Welcome back. You folks are here on trial. Welcome back to your second day. Yeah, good morning, Hubba. Were you able to get them downloaded?
The 2024 oil demand growth
Or imported?
forecast from 2.11 to 2.03 million.
I'm assuming you did.
OPEC.
In any event, guys, very good morning to each and every one of you fellas. We're a day away from CPI. Today. Yesterday, the algos did not take. That happened to us last week one day. It was like 20. Morning, Marco. Yeah, man. Nice to see you. You're welcome to sit in. Yeah, of course. Good to see you again. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is to those discussed earlier. Simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation alone, all trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. And try to give a little bit better explanation of what you're looking at. You are looking at on the screen the algos. So for instance, if you go to my website, and for those of you guys that haven't seen the new website, here is the new website. Okay, the new website is up and running. I think the guys did a pretty damn stellar job on the website. And if you go to the store, you'll notice that there are some options, right? We have the original bot, we have the TrendBot Pro, and then down here in the lower left, we have the Algo suite. Okay, so please do not confuse the algo with the bots. They are not the same. Okay. The Algo. If you guys are unfamiliar with the mbox wave indicator, I suggest that you go to Mike's site, mboxwave.com, and you can read about it. The indicator itself is predicated A, on and B, on the Wyckoff methodology of trading. If you don't know who Richard Wyckoff is, you should check him out. He's been dead over 100 years, but nonetheless, one of the greatest traders ever. So with a partnership agreement with Mike at mbox wave, I have automated his indicator. I do not own the mbox wave indicator. I do own and have copywritten the automation. The automation is mine. Okay. So as part of the package, for anybody that is interested, you will receive the mbox wave indicator as well as the automation. Now, again, it is predicated on order flow. There are actual algorithmic signals coded into the automation. And some of you, including some of my newer members that with the algo that don't fully understand the algo, don't understand why we may not get trades because specific parameters must be met. Okay? This is not an algo or an automated system that's going to take 45 trades a minute. It's not going to happen. It is not going to take innumerable trades every single day. There are days when it may take 3. Sometimes we have seen 4 trades in a day. Those are statistical anomalies. On average, in July, the algo averaged 2 trades per day. In August, because of the low volume, that number shrunk to just over 1 trade per day. In July, and I included this in your first email yesterday, attachments, in July, Algo 3.1, which is currently trading that PA account, had a 91% win rate over, I believe, 43 trades. That was in July. In August, it had an 88% win rate, and I believe it was 28 trades. Now, so far, I would be remiss if I took a shot because I don't know. I can tell you. So 3.1, which has had the highest win rate of the 3 different settings that we are running. Here is September's totals. Now, the first day of September, it lost $2,200. It actually took $3,200 in max draw, which is honestly about $1,700 more than I typically would let it go. And that is on a PA account.
No major North American data at the bottom of the
Since that day, 5, 6, 10, 11 trades with 9 winners. So it is currently running 9 divided by 11. Okay. Keith, it's been 3 contracts for several weeks. So I'm just trying to 'case it does not. I ran it after the room. I did video record those trades, and I sent you that recording only. I did not bother sending the room recording because there were no trades. So if anybody has any Sellers on the open. YM is selling. NASDAQ is small bid. I'm watching YM. I'm going to be watching YM. That's a big down move on the YM. Damn. 100 tick down move. NASDAQ pushing probably to 818 if you like NASDAQ. 818 target 1. All right, guys. YM is going to be a short. I don't even have an entry yet. It looks like it's just going to be sell market. Right now it would be 801, but it's still pushing in 8 seconds. YM is a short 795.
Order submitted.
NASDAQ's almost to that target 1 at 18 if you took NASDAQ. Here comes YM.
Order filled.
YM shorted. Target 1 is the low of the day. This thing looks like it wants to push to the low of the day. They're buying NASDAQ, selling YM at the moment. Come on. I got slipped a couple of ticks on the YM on the entry. NASDAQ, small positive delta now, 300 contracts. Come on, YM breakdown. Come on. Still holding this damn 90. There it goes. Come on. Almost to the low of the day on the YM. You scum. Watch the long on the YM above 28. NASDAQ selling or pulling back. Some sellers here. 34 is my short on NASDAQ. There it goes below yesterday's high, 34. I'm sorry, below Ludwig level yellow. I'm a ways from a short, 34. Kind of a ugly open. Let me get this on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. They're on. Still holding YM, guys. Just not doing anything here. We don't have any news. Man, this is sluggish as all hell. Need this YM back below 804. All right, guys, I'm out of YM.
Order filled.
I'm out of YM.
Order filled.
NASDAQ now getting sold. 34 is my short on NASDAQ. Come on, you piece of crap. Do something. God, Jesus. Break down, go up, do something.
Target filled.
Here comes NASDAQ. I'll sell 33 on NASDAQ.
As Macklem saying, if
Order,
we saw
order
a
submitted.
big change in the layoffs, that would certainly be a concern. Macklem saying August job data in Canada were a continuation of
Order
pattern.
filled.
$800 on the net sellers.
Order canceled.
ES is short on the algo, but I don't much care for it. YM is backing off again. This is just a little bit choppy right now.
Well, less than 10 minutes into the trading session, the S&P is up 16 and a half handles, the NASDAQ up 64, and the Dow is down 38.
Here is the ES algo.
Down half a basis point at 3.697%. The 2-year just below 3.66%.
Thank you, Kenneth Macklem saying he wants to see job growth pick up.
Order submitted.
Watch this breakdown on the NASDAQ. Just under 800 on the negative delta. Got this Canadian Bank of Canada's Macklin, whoever the heck he is, speaking.
Order filled.
There goes yesterday's high.
Order
27 is first target. 19 is second target. Final target would be 04.
Macklem saying there'll probably be some further adjustment in the labor market.
Come on, break that 25 and go. We're just flirting with yesterday's high. Come on, break 25 and go. 04 is final target. Come on, sell them off. Let's go. Don't be bashful. Right here, break. God dang it.
FAA chief commenting on Boeing saying
Come
it
on.
will take years and not months.
If you guys want to take your risk
Boeing
off, feel
culture.
free. It just does not want to break down below this 2450. I don't have anything here for support, and I've got a ton of sellers. It just does not want to break down. I'm still holding short. I don't know if this is because of this Canadian guy speaking or what, but sellers are still coming in. Now I got small buyers.
FAA administrator going on to say raised the FAA's 737 production cap with the new Boeing CEO during their first conversation.
It's holding yesterday's high. Need to get below yesterday's high. Come on. Lost the buyers. We're up to 1,000 on the net sellers.
Order submitted.
Small buyers. Really small. Come on, you piece of crap. All right,
Order
I'm
filled.
flat, guys. I'm flat. I still think this is coming down. 1,000 volume, Dean. Still think this is going to get hit, and we're coming down to 04. We're at 1,000 net sellers. No real buying. Come on, break this down. Here it goes. 1,100 on the sellers.
Order filled.
Their second target, if you guys held.
Order canceled.
Ugly, ugly price action. Ugly, ugly freaking price action. Ugly, ugly, ugly. 1,200 sellers. Net negative delta is increasing substantially, and it won't break down. $12.50. I think it's because of this whoever this Canadian speaker is. That's my guess. I don't know, but it did get target 1 and target 2.
Kenneth Macklem said wage growth and the housing rebound could slow rate cuts.
This is fucking horrible. We're coming down. I'm telling you, we're coming down. It isn't a long. It's not a long. I don't have it in longs. Not yet. Above 72, maybe.
Order canceled.
ES flipped into a long. Above 72 is where it flips. On the 5-minute, 78 half. God, there is a scalp long in 21 seconds. There's your long. Guys, I don't know if it's because of this Macklin guy, whoever the hell he is, from Canada, Bank of Canada. YM finally broke down. He's the governor of the Bank of Canada. Thank you. YM is breaking down.
Order filled.
I tried a YM short again. Small YM short. YM on the hourly should come down to 62 final target. 62. This NASDAQ is going to bust down.
JP Morgan's Pinto saying that the U.S. consumer is still in a relatively good shape.
I still like NASDAQ on the short side. We've got to get back below 34. 10 minutes.
Again, as Macklin saying, he does see some downside risk to the third quarter GDP estimate.
The long on the NASDAQ is at 05. That 04 target, that would be the long. Come on, you rat dog. I'm going to try the short again, guys, on the NASDAQ. Dip below that 34. Come on, break here.
Order filled.
I'm using an ATM now.
Target filled.
There's target 1.
Order canceled.
Canceled target 2. My final is 04. There's the breakdown. Come on, piece of crap. It's got to break 21. Another target 1 only. That's all it's given me. Target 1, which is nothing.
Order
I
filled.
canceled the runner. Yeah, I am, Chuck. No signals on
They're coming up at the top of the hour in about 80 minutes. We'll hear from Fed Vice Chair Barr, who's expected to preview
all right.
changes to the bank capital plan.
We do not want to give NASDAQ will not break 22, 21, 22.
Expected to present.
Still holding YM. It's right back to my entry, which is pissing me off because it won't break down. My first target, guys, on the YM is at 783. Still holding 1 NASDAQ. Come on, YM, for the love of God. 6 ticks. All right, I'm going to close the runner on NASDAQ, I think, here.
Order filled.
NASDAQ runner is closed. YM still holding full position. It will give me nothing. Trying to get 83, target 1. There's 87, 86.
Target filled.
Finally. Target 1 filled. YM. Jesus. That was a hold for like all eternity. Let me see where YM can come. Right now, my target's at 62. Yeah, I still think that's a good target, 62. It could break down further from there in the hourlies, but I'll take the runner off at 62. Okay? Come on, 2 more ticks. 3 more ticks. Oh, don't do that. Come on. Come on. Held 65 twice. Needs to break that 6. There it is. Target. Oh, hit and no fill. Hit 62 to the tick and no fill. I'm just going to close it out.
Order filled.
Flat YM. I'm flat everywhere. Flat everywhere. All right, guys. NASDAQ going to pull back to 61 from here. There it is. Yeah, that was too much like work. I agree. NQ, just doing nothing. Small negative delta, guys. NASDAQ is really a pain in the ass trade. YM was a pain in the neck as well. Russell, I think Russell is short to 88. If anybody wants to try a Russell short to 88, I'm going to short Russell.
Order filled.
I'm short Russell 94.3 with a first target at 92.4. Guys, there's nothing that's, I mean, NASDAQ is trying, but the delta sucks both ways. Even on the positive delta, it wasn't very high. We're a day ahead of CPI data.
Order canceled.
ES on the algo is just flipping back and forth between longs and shorts.
Yeah, looking for comments from Fed Vice Chair Barr on bank capital plan revisions.
Do not know how we have Fed speakers that are voters speaking.
Barr saying we'll propose updating GSIB surcharge to account for changes in inflation and economic growth under the new proposal, firming a 9% capital increase.
Need Russell to break 92.5.
15% in the prior proposal. New Basel draft would revise all major areas of the original plan, including operational.
Not even a signal yet on
industry criticism.
algos. 30 minutes into it.
Are saying that changes the revision would exempt banks under $250 billion in assets from most new requirements, except for recognizing unrealized gains and losses of securities.
$60 is long. All right, guys, I'm going to try another NASDAQ long. Not yet. 79 if it pulls back there.
Order submitted.
79. Not going to get it.
Order filled.
Yeah, filled 79 long. Needs to bounce here off yellow. Come on.
Target filled.
Got target 1. Another
Order canceled.
canceled the runner.
Order filled.
Closed it. Another 5-handle trade. That's all I can get, guys. That's all I can get. Russell is breaking down if you're short. We're almost to target 1 on Russell. I'm at 92.4, target 1 on RTY. 92.4. It's given a few ticks. If you guys are not digging Russell, take the trade off. You can make a few bucks, $100, whatever. It's just Russell is definitely shorts, but we're hung up on the standard deviation on the Russell. I'm sitting at 92.4, target 1, final target 88.5.
Order submitted.
88.5 is final. NASDAQ is just slop and chop. I need that 60-minute to break down below 57. ES doesn't want to give up support at 91. Come on, you piece of crap, do something. RTY got to like 4 ticks from target. There's target 1 on Russell. Final target for me, 88. Frankie, if you're in the room and can hear me, you best check your emails. Missed by a damn tick. Guys, I'm going to kill it. It's $5.
Order filled.
Missed it by 1 tick. I'm flat. Anybody take the Russell? Targets hit, guys. Targets hit. Anybody take that? NASDAQ is just too stupid. I did miss a crude short. NASDAQ looks like it wants to go up. I'm going to try a NASDAQ long. 24s. I'm going to take a NASDAQ
Order
long.
filled.
24 is final target. 24. Guys, these trades are requiring far more patience than I like.
Target filled.
There's target.
Order canceled.
There's target 1. Again, another stinking 5-hand. I mean, I'm grinding out trades, but they're small. Trying to get to 24 final target here on NASDAQ. Maybe even 34. I'm going to close the runner.
Order filled.
Runner's flat. I'm positive 2535 at this point. Got the 04 now. 04 half. You can take your runner off here or hold now for 92. 92. 92. 92. Let's go, baby. And then 77. 92 and then 77. Come on. Back up to 750 on the net sellers. Come on, 92 and then 77. Let's go. Got 95. Come on, 92. Still holding 1. Back test a VWAP from below. Yesterday's close is 92 quarter. I still think we're going to get there and go flat on the day. All right,
Order filled.
I'm flat, guys. I'm flat now. I'm flat. I'm holding nothing. You guys good? Everybody good? All right. Okay. All right. Here's my 92. A little more patience, Bob. There's 92, and now 77 is coming, 78. If anybody is still holding, you got 92. We got a trade on Algo too. This is where I shorted it earlier.
Order filled.
There's
Order canceled.
There's target. Trailing stop.
Order canceled.
720 on Algo 2. 720. You guys get that trade? Algo 3.2, I should say. You guys get the trade? Okay, you did. Okay.